welcome to another episode of We're Engaged, and my special guest today did not do things the traditional way. Hi Kayon, welcome. How are you?
I'm fine.
Talk to me a little bit about meeting your groom to be, Jason Chambers.
Yes. So Jason and I met in 2010. He was at work. He's actually a police officer.
Oh.
So he was at work and I went to the plaza with my sister to make a report. And
You went to the plaza to make a report?
yes, so the police station is on the plaza.
Okay.
So I actually went there to make a
Just
report.
making it clear. Okay.
To make a report about something that happened at the house with the dog and stuff. And there was a gentleman there. We called him, or what you guys call those persons that set you up? He was our mentor. He was there to talk to us about relationship, everything. He's currently deceased, but he was the one who actually got the ball rolling.
Oh, so he introduced you guys?
Yes, he
Oh.
did. Yeah.
So what was the first thing that stood out to you when you saw him? Did you know that, like, hey, this man is going to be my husband? Did you kind of just look past him and say, no, sir, not my type? Or were you attracted to him?
Yes, I was. At first, his smile caught me.
Oh, okay.
Yes, just his smile. I didn't think anything of it on that day because he didn't call me like for 2 days after we met.
So you give him a number first day, same
Yes,
time? I saw the smile nice?
Yes,
Okay.
so I did. I gave him my number. And he didn't call me until 2 days.
Oh,
But
he was just testing you out a little bit.
I figured.
Okay. Talk to me now about you guys deciding to get married.
Okay.
How did that happen?
Okay, so it was a big step for both of us because we've been together for so long.
How long to be exact?
It's about 8 years. Yes. We have a son together. I mean, previously we've been talking about marriage for a while, but he always thought we weren't ready and I thought we were. But for this year, it's a whole new ball game. So I'm going to just explain how it all happened.
Right.
So it was March 5th. I was at work. One of my coworkers is getting married as well, and I'm helping her to plan. So I decided to, like, God spoke to me, and He said, send him a message. So I sent him a message, right? And I said to him, babe, we're getting married on October 13, 2018. That's exactly what I said to him.
So you just send the man a text message
Yes.
and say, listen, we're doing this on this day and it's going to work.
Yes, mainly because I gave my life to the Lord, and I'm basically trying to live the life that He wants me to live. So certain things we do not do because of my Christian faith, and in order for us to move on to the next level that He wants, certain things will have to happen first. So I was just going in the alignment in what God requires.
Okay.
So He knows that marriage was very important to me. We have a son together. He's 3. And I just feel like it's time.
All right. So you got a message from God.
Yes.
And you sent him the text message. Tell me about the text message that you sent him.
So I sent him the text message. It said, babe, we're getting married on October 13, 2018.
Okay.
And he responded and said, okay, babe.
And that was it.
And that was it.
No proposal.
No proposal.
No big hurrah excitement.
Nothing at all.
No go on the knee, pop the question.
So let me finish the story. So
okay.
So there's more to the story.
Very well.
I asked my coworker, she was doing the invitations for my other coworker. So I told her, just create an invitation for me so I can take it to him, to let him see it.
That you're serious?
Yes, that I'm extremely serious.
You're not running any jokes?
No. So I needed to confirm that he was not joking either. So I took it to him and he was like, babe, I like it, but I don't like this. Could you get one with a bit more tree in it? And I was like, oh, so he's serious. So it's a go for us.
So you're just running with it?
Yes.
Like how him never say no.
Oh, Lord. And he started to say, October is a bit close. We need time to prepare and to save and to get everything together. So put it a little bit more. How about January? I was like, no, January is back to school. We're going to send Caleb back to school. what about February? And he was like, okay, let's go with February. So it was just like that.
Did you know that you just literally bad up the man to
Yes.
get married? Like, dictate
Yes.
to your groom-to-be to say, listen,
Yes.
we're getting married
Yes.
on this day,
Yes.
and it's going to happen.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes you have to ask for what you want, right?
Ask for what you want, you're speaking it into being,
Yes.
you're putting it into being,
Yes.
you're printing the invitation into being.
Yes. All of it into being, and it happened.
And it is happening, Kayon.
Yes.
What an interesting way
Yes.
to start planning your wedding.
Yes.
So, as we mentioned, planning your, no, I know you're a serious woman, you know,
Yes.
okay? Talk to me a little bit about the planning process. How is that going?
It is going extremely well. I mean, I'm a planner. I love to plan way ahead. So I'm very ahead in the planning so far.
So you're taking care of everything.
Yes.
You're working with Helen with certain things. Like
Yes.
what's his take on that aspect of it? Does he have a say in anything? I have to ask.
Yes, yes. I really do. I love his opinion because he has very good taste and stuff. So I try to make him a part of everything. So if I decide on something, I'll take it and ask him, do you like this? And then he'll say no, and I'll say okay. And I'll go and get a different one and say, do you like this one? He says no. And I'm like, okay, you go get something then.
Were you ever afraid that he would have responded to your text message and say no?
To be honest, no. Because God told me to send it to him. So I just sent it to him. It's like something that said, send it to him.
Go for it.
Go for it.
Okay, go hard and done indeed. Now, you've been working with Helen. What's the process like and how is that going? You know, planning your wedding, I know you're probably very excited.
Extremely excited. So planning with Helen, we haven't technically been speaking about the planning or the decor or anything like that just yet, but we are considering having her doing the decorations for the wedding.
Okay, the decorations. You like how she does her thing?
Yes, I've looked on her website and I love it all. I'm definitely in love.
Okay, good stuff.
Yes.
What are you most looking forward to on a day?
Nothing. I just want to get married and get it over with.
You just want to get it over
Yes.
with. You're just so excited.
Yes.
You're counting down.
Yes.
So what date you have in mind now? When in February?
So, the 2nd of February.
Okay. And tell me, what are you most looking forward to after?
Being his wife. That is all.
Being his wife.
Yes.
Having that Mrs. in front of your name.
Yes.
Okay. And you guys started looking at any destinations for your honeymoon?
Not really. We have looked at a few, but I don't think they're realistic
But
for us.
You'll figure it out.
Yes, we'll figure
Where you
it
plan
out.
to get married?
So we're getting married at Calvary Evangelistic Assembly. That is 19 Ball Plate Avenue off Olympic Way.
Okay. And then you plan to have a nice reception after?
Yes.
Get your families involved?
Yes.
Who was the first person that you told when he responded and said, okay, babe?
My coworker.
Really?
Yes.
They didn't think you were like joking?
No.
They knew you were serious?
Yes.
And that you were ready to go?
Yes.
Ready to get married?
Yes.
Oh my. All right. You think you're going to cry on the day?
Yes.
Any form of emotions?
I think I'm going to cry. I hope I don't cry, but I think I'm going to cry. I'm an emotional person. I speak with tears.
Oh, so you're looking forward to that. Tell me a little bit about the dress that you're looking for.
Okay, so I really, something that looks beautiful. I just want to look beautiful on the day. I don't really have a vision of my dress. I know I need to have a long train, but apart from that,
Nothing else. As long as you look fancy and you look nice, you're stunning, elegant, and you have a long train.
and I have a long train.
That's really what matters.
Yes.
Okay, boy, Kayon, I think all of us are afraid of you. I really feel like all of us are afraid of Kayon. Like, Kayon, just send the man a text message and tell us we're getting married. But Kayon, thank you so much for joining us. It was a pleasure speaking to you.
You're welcome.
Your way is not traditional at all.
Not at all.
But it works for you.
Yes.
It really does. Thank you for joining us on We're Engaged. See you next time.